optics, ORR, physical optics. Okay, Nana? Now I am going to discuss wave optics, ORR, physical optics. In the chapter Nana, wave optics, ORR, physical optics Nana. In the chapter, first I discuss optics now. What is the meaning of optics? This can be classified Nana based on propagation of light. Based on propagation of light. Optics can be classified into three types Nana. Once again I repeat. Based on propagation of light, optics classified into three types. The first one is ray optics. The first one is ray optics. The second one is wave optics. It also called as physical optics. Third one is quantum theory of light, quantum effect, quantum optics. Optics can be classified into three types based on propagation of light. The first one is ray optics. The second one is ray optics already completed. SSR some of the part, I discuss some of the part. In the ray optics, the light propagated in the form of straight lines. In the chapter, light propagated in the form of straight lines. Based on this propagation, I explain reflection, and also I discuss refraction. Based on ray optics, we discuss reflection and again refraction. Next, this is the wave optics. In the wave optics, light propagated in the form of waves. In the chapter, light propagated in the form of waves. Based on wave phenomena, we discuss interference, diffraction, polarization. This is the present chapter Nana. In the chapter, only three concepts are there. The first concept is interference. The second concept is diffraction. Third concept is polarization. In this week, up to Friday, these three topics completed in this week. Wave optics. Light propagated in the form of waves. Next, last one, quantum optics. According to quantum optics, light in the form of energy packets. Each packet is called quanta. Quanta is nothing but the photon. Quanta is nothing but the photon. Based on this phenomena, we explain photoelectric effect and Compton effect. Okay? Optics. Based on propagation of light, optics can be classified into three types: ray optics, wave optics, quantum optics. In the ray optics, light propagated in the straight lines. Based on straight line propagation, we discuss reflection, refraction. The present chapter name Wave Optics ORR Physical Optics. In this chapter, light propagated in the form of waves. Based on this phenomena, we discuss interference, diffraction, polarization. Quantum optics. In the chapter, light propagated in the form of energy packet. Each energy packet is called as quanta. Quanta is nothing but the photon. Sometimes the light propagated straight lines. Sometimes light propagated in the form of waves. When the light propagated straight line, when the light is propagated in the form of waves, I explain. Nana, this is called slit. This is called screen. Look here, all of you. Screen. What is the use of screen in the chapter? Caught on the image. In the, this is called slit. This slit undi hole. This hole is nothing but the object. This hole consider as a object. In the situation, for example, this is the light. Light. This light fall on the object. Size of the object. Nana, B indicate size of the object. Greater. Lambda. Lambda means wavelength of the light. Once again I repeat. Light fall on the object. Size of the object. Here size of the hole. Size of the object greater lambda. In the situation, the light forward straight lines. Do you understand? This object size, simply size of the object greater. Compared to wavelength of the light, much more. In the situation, light propagated in the form of straight lines. Simply, size of the object is much more. Next situation, wave optics. In the situation, light fall on the object. Here. Size of the object is very less. In this situation, light bend. Bending means it travel in the form of waves. Look here. Okay, Nana? Look here again. Light fall on the object. Size of the object denoted by B is less than wavelength of the light, wavelength of the falling light. Here size of the object is small. In this situation, light bend. In this situation, light bend means the light traveled in the form of waves. This is the condition of wave optics. In the situation, the distance between slit and screen is denoted by L. Some textbooks it is denoted by capital D. What is the capital D? Distance between slit and screen. Okay? Once again I give clear information. Look here. Ray optics. Here B square by lambda D. greater than 1. Simply here B is size of the object, lambda is wavelength of the light, capital D is distance between slit and screen. Here lambda square, B square by lambda D less than 1. In this situation, the light moves in the form of waves. Here light moves in the form of straight lines. What is the ray optics condition? B square by lambda D greater than 1. In the situation light propagated in the straight lines. B square by lambda D less than 1. In the situation light propagated in the form of waves. Okay, this is two situations I discuss. Okay, difference between ray optics and wave optics. Look here, all of you.